Hello, good morning. Welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make a fruit salad spicy, or we call in Thai som tam polamai. After this, okay, I'm going to show you all the ingredients we're using today. We start from fish sauce, palm sugar, tamarind sauce, dry shrimp, strawberry, green grape, red grapes, blueberry, green apple, red apple, and pineapple. And also this the fruit salad, good for the summer, can cool down your body. I'm going to slice green apple and red apple. Use the bowl, put the water in here. You cut green apple into this size. Okay, we cut the apple into small pieces. And put in the water. Why we put in the water?
To keep it looking fresh.
Yes, you are right. And red apple. Yes, soak in the water. And now I'm going to show you how to slice pineapple. I have cut all this one, and then we just cut into the skin. Okay, now we get rid of the pineapple eyes. You just do like this. Okay. We cut all this the heart. We get rid of the core, and then cut into small pieces. Okay, right. Now we start to mix with all the ingredients. รู้ไหมไอลืมพูดอะไร garlic chili ก็ยังไม่ได้ Okay. Okay, ready? Okay, we start to cook. Are you ready?
You cooking?
Yeah, no, we start to make. Okay. Are you ready?
Okay, we're ready.
We start to make.
Alright.
Yeah, we put the 3 cloves of garlic, yeah, and 5 or 6 pieces of small chili. Depend how hot you like. Okay, we crush this one. We crush the garlic. And then put chili. Okay, next, dry shrimp, about 2 tablespoons. We crush it until become become two small pieces like fine, but not very fine. And 1 tablespoon of palm sugar. Three tablespoons of fish sauce. And 3 tablespoons of tamarind sauce. Okay, we squeeze 1 ram in there. Yeah, we mix together. If you like sour, you can put more lime juice. If you like sweet, you can put more palm sugar. If you like salty, you can put fish sauce. Okay, now we start to mix all the fruit. We put pineapple.
That's apple.
Oh, we put apple. Apple. Strawberry. Pineapple, now the right one. Blueberry. Grapes. Red grapes. Okay, now we mix together. Okay, we just mix together like this with all the ingredients. That's it. Ready to serve now. And top of roast cashew nut. พูดใส่เลยนะ Okay.
So here's the finished article. Looks, look at that. It's glistening, aromatic. Spicy. Very spicy. Not for the faint-hearted. That's really good. So give this a go. Don't be afraid to really ramp up the flavor and the chili. That's good. Until next time, take care of yourselves and keep on cooking.
Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you. Bye.